Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a Porsche Cayenne that we've upgraded with a brand new head unit featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. Today's video is all about the entertainment upgrade that we've carried out to the Porsche Cayenne S. In terms of the functionality, what this customer was after was adding Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well for connectivity to getting load more functionality live directly on the new unit. What we've gone for is a Kenwood DMX8020, so it features wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, plus digital radio, plus we've got loads of functionality live directly on that unit. It looks really nice. It's built in with a fitting kit that we've installed, but also what we've actually managed to do is retain steering wheel controls, but also managed to actually retain the full Bose system as well. So this is a really nice system. It fits so nicely into the vehicle. It modernizes the vehicle as it's getting a little bit more dated now with that entertainment system that was in there. That's all been removed and all been professionally installed with a full Bose retention harness, plus with the retention of the steering wheel controls as well. If you are interested in something like this, guys, make sure you get in touch with us, book in an audio consultation, come by and see us. We'll go through every single option that is possibly available for this, or also if you wanted to actually get rid of that Bose system and wanted something better in terms of the sound, we can also upgrade that as well. So let us know, book an audio consultation or come by, see us. And also if you are a bit further afield, can't come by and see us, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through things over there as well. It is always easier if you can come by though. But this work has all been completed in our full 11,000 square foot workshop facility here in Cambridge. So first of all, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.